All right, we're in the lobby. 1625 is my rank score. 26,000 world rank. Ranked wins 43. And we are waiting on an online opponent. This is just the computer hitting the ball at me. What's up? He's 1557. He's higher ranked than I am. Same strategy. We're going to try and go left and right on him. Oh, nice serve. Sneaky, sneaky. It's a good serve. Oh, get down. Oh, come on. All right, I don't think this guy's got a good backhand either, so we're just going to keep going with the same strategy that seems to work with everybody. Serve is great. That's a great serve. It's got a nice little kick at the end. Oh. Come on. Get down. See, I'm better. I'm a better player than this. It's a good serve. See if I can get some heat on that backhand. I can win this game. Yep. Yep. Just playing defense. Oh, good serve. Or good shot. See how he had to flip that paddle? That makes people uncomfortable because it's a VR controller. Oh, good shot. Well, that lagged on me. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Just play defense. Oh, fuck. Ooh. Get down. 12-12. There we go. I need this point right here. Get down. Yeah. First round's mine. Pick on that backhand. Oh, he's getting flustered. Pick on that backhand. Get down. Oh, good shot. Keep picking on that backhand. Good serve. This guy's got a great serve. Come on. It's got a nice little kick to it. Oh, see, you don't want to hit that backhand. Oh, come on, focus. Come on, focus. Doesn't like that backhand. Game. Beat him on the backhand. All right, that's another online match, another win in the belt. He's actually ranked better than I am. I'm 1625, he's 1557. So for more online ping pong, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and come on back.